Hello students, I am your mathematics teacher Manoj Kumar Upadhyay. Today we are going to start lesson 1, number system. In number system we will discuss about two things, notation and numeration. Notation. Notation means writing a number in figures is called notation. Numeration. Writing a number in words is called numeration. Now we will discuss about the Hindu Arabic of writing numbers. Before starting the Hindu Arabic system of writing numerations, we will discuss about the period. Period means crores, lakhs, thousands, and hundreds. These all are known as periods. See, this is the table of the periods. Children, from this place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and so on. This is the table of the periods. Now we will discuss about the place value and face value. Place value. The place value of a digit in a numeral depends upon the place it occupies in the place value chart. Now we will discuss about the face value. Children, the face value of a digit remains as it is, whatever place it may be occupies in the place value chart. For example, here the digit is 34,692. If we will discuss about the place value and face value of 4 in this digit 34,692, the place value of 4 is 4,000, but the face value is only 4. Either it is available on the fourth place, its face value is only 4. Now we will discuss about exercise 1.1. First question is, write the numerals for each. If we will discuss first one, 9018. How we will do, I am going to explain, children. Here it is 9,000, means on the place of 1000 we will write 9, and 18 means 100 place is blank, and then we will write 18. This one is the method to write the numeral of this given 9018. Then second, third you can do. Fourth, once again I am going to explain, children. 18 lakh 10,008. 18 lakh, on the place of lakh we will write 18, then the position of 1000, and here is written 10,000, so we will write here 10, and then 8 means 100th place is not given, 10th place is not given, 8 we will write. Then I am going to discuss about the 8th question. The question is 15 crore 50 lakh 20,068. 50 crore means the position of crore 15, sorry, not 50. This one is 15 crore, and then lakh 50 lakh. So here we will write 50 for lakh, and 20,000, then 20,000, and 68. 68 means 100 place is not given, then we will write 68. These are the methods to write in numeral form. This is enough for question number 1. All questions of question number 1 you have to do in homework copy. If you have book, okay, otherwise I will provide you as an assignment to do all the questions. Now question number 2, write the numbers in words. The first one is 63,005. How we will write, children? See, 63,005, 63,005. Then the third one, 34 lakh 20,019, 34 lakh 20,019. This is the method to do. Remaining questions of question number 2 you can do yourself. Now in question number 3 we will discuss expanded form. Here the digit is 15,768. 15,000 means here 1 is in 10,000's place, so we will multiply 10,000, then 5 in 1000, so we will multiply 1000, then plus 7 is 100's place, so 7 into 100 plus 60, 6 into 10, then plus 8 into 1. It means 1 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 8. This line is the origin of this expanded form, but you can write this line directly without writing this one also. There is no need to show in each question this one. This one is origin, because of that I have shown this method. Now we will discuss about the corresponding numerals for each. This one is the question: 6 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 8 into 10 into 4 into 1. How we will do that, children? 6 into 10,000 equal to 60,000 plus 2 into 1000 equal to 2,000 plus 5 into 100 equal to 500 . 4 into 1 equal to 4. Now it is 62,584. Answer. Now children, we are going to discuss about question number 5 of exercise 1.1. Find the difference between the place value of 29 in the digit 79520,986, means 7,95,20,986. Here there are 2 9 on this place, means the 10 lakhs place and 100's place, and we have to find out their differences. Once again I am reading the question. Find the difference between the place value of 29 in 7 crore 95 lakh 20,986 children. Here the place value of first 9 is 90 lakh and second 9 is 900. Now we will find the difference between both. Now it is 90 lakh minus 900 equal to 89 lakh 99,100. Answer. Find the difference between the place value and the face value of 7 in digit 2 crore 76 lakh 50,934. Here children, we have to find out the difference between the place value and face value of 7. Here place value of 7 is, place value of 7 of this digit is 70 lakh and the face value of 7 of this digit is 7. Now we will find out their difference. Here the difference between both is 70 lakh minus 7 equal to 69 lakh 99,993. This one is the answer. There are so many more questions in this exercise. Children, you have to try yourself. I will send you as an assignment in our Jindal School website. If you will feel difficulty, then once again I will provide you the solutions. So today is enough. You have to do all questions yourself. The exercise is very easy and very interesting. All of you, all the best for this video.